Hey, just wanted to do a quick video on Julia Jacklin's Sweet Step. We have a capo on the 3rd fret for this one. There's a good video of her playing it live. So the simple way would just be go D, E. What she's doing is she's doing so it's 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, and then is if you want to play it exactly like her, she's putting her pinky on the D string at the 7th fret. So it's you're not playing the E string at all. So it's A D, and then you go to an E chord and you play the A D. And I think on the recording on the album there, it's over. It's two guitars, but she plays it live, and that's how she plays it. It's the kind of thing you just gotta practice maybe for like a half hour, just going between those two chords, and you just get so you can play it. You got to get it down so you can play it without thinking about it. But you can fake it pretty good, just going D to E. Melody still will work over that. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye bye.